Oh, hello, my name's Sarah King. I studied originally fine art textiles at Goldsmiths College, University of London, but I've been making jewellery for over 20 years and teaching at CSM for at least 15. And I specialise in the wood and plastics within jewellery, so a range of courses. I'm going to be starting an experimental jewellery evening class for the first time, and we'll be doing short projects on a range of materials and really playing around and getting stuck in without worrying too much about what we're doing, and trying lots of different things and seeing what people enjoy most. I love playing around with the different properties of materials. For me, it's really important that they're sustainable materials. So the plastics I use, especially in the classes, tend to be recycled plastics, or the resin I use is a bio-resin, which is made of sunflower seed oil, and it was one of the first bio-resins on the market. There are different bio-resins now, but this one has an amazing optical quality, which is obviously really important if you want to make white and transparent pieces, and it doesn't go the yellow that some epoxy resins can do. The classes I run are creative and suitable for beginners or experienced people, so I get a complete mix of people. I get some people that just want to come to a class as a one-off thing and have something that they're happy with to take home. I have other people that maybe have design training that have never used the processes before. So they might be studying accessories but want to come and actually make some pieces. I have other people that sort of have a jewellery as a very serious hobby and come to classes, say, every summer as their holiday. So I have a complete range, and the way I structure the classes are designed that everybody can enjoy it and get what they need from it.